Hi guys, Judy here at the Fun Factory for a Monday must-have. It's located near the bottom of Clifton Hill, right beside Movieland Wax Museum. We're going to be showcasing some really cute, really fun summer toys that your little ones are sure to enjoy. Let's go check it out. So right when you walk in, just to the right of the store, we have these really cool character shades. Summer has not disappointed, and it's been super hot. If you're having trouble getting your child to wear some sun protection on their eyes, I think this is a great option. They can choose from any of their favorite characters while having that protective UV lens for them to protect themselves. There's a whole bunch of characters here. I know you'd be able to find one that they would like especially. So we have Paw Patrol, there's Pokemon, Angry Birds, Teletubbies, and as we scroll over here, my personal favorite are all the Marvel characters. So there's Captain America, Iron Man, the Hulk, and then for the princesses in your life, we have Ariel, Tiana, and Belle. If you aren't sure that these are going to fit or if your child's going to like them, we have a whole sampler selection here that they can try on to make sure they absolutely love it. So while you walk through the store, you'll actually be able to see these really cool bubble guns. They're perfect for outside and the hot summer weather. We have them in all different characters. There's fish characters, dogs, whales, and each of these come with 2 different solutions, so you can have a load of fun. Most of these also come with the batteries, so all you have to do is put them in, put the solution in, and then you're ready to go. This is nice and easy. The solution is just like that. You just have to make sure the straw is actually inside the canister. Twist it in, and you're ready to go. It's located right beside the bubble guns. We have these really cute backpacks, side satchels, and change purse collection for your little one. Here are the backpacks. They're really soft. They have an adorable design on it, and I know that any child would look absolutely adorable with this backpack on. It's perfect for fitting all their snacks in it, maybe a little water bottle for them as they're roaming up and down the hill. There's also one that goes along the side, so if you don't want one that actually just goes right on the back for both your shoulders, you can do kind of like a crossbody style for your little one. And then of course, we have matching change purses for whatever midway tokens they want to put in here, or change that you find along the way. I think these bags would be really good just for up and down the hill, or just using every day for the summer. They like to have their own things with them, and they can access their water bottles or snacks super easy. So thanks for joining me for this week's Monday must-haves. I hope you come down and check out the Fun Factory for all your summer toys. I'm Judy for CliftonHill.com.